Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make this delicious strawberry agua fresca. So this is my take on an agua fresca, and basically it's just like a refreshing drink. That's the best way I can describe it. So I got a carton of strawberries from the grocery store, and I'm just cutting the tops off, just the green parts. This is a super easy recipe, and it's absolutely delicious. So what inspired this was my husband really loves to get boba tea when we go places, and there is a hot pot restaurant near us, and when we were there last, he got their strawberry boba tea. Now, I don't like boba tea because I don't like tea. There's not a flavor of tea that I have found that I enjoy, but he got this drink and he let me try a sip of it, and it was delicious. There was no tea in it. It was like a strawberry dessert drink. And I have been trying to find somewhere a little bit closer to home that I can get something similar. That was my dog. We're outside, and I haven't been able to find anything. So then I thought, I'll just make it. So that's what inspired this. This is a light on the sweet side, a strawberry milky creamy drink. So I took that carton of strawberries, I saved 2 for garnish, but I cut the tops off the entire carton. In my blender, I have 3 cups of water, and I am adding the strawberries to the blender, and then I'm gonna blend those up for about a minute. And then I get my pitcher out and I pour my strawberry mixture in. You can strain this if you want to get the seeds and stuff out. And I add an extra cup of water, and then I add a can of sweetened condensed milk and a can of evaporated milk. And if you wanted to make this dairy free, you could add coconut milk and some other kind of sweetener. Just regular sugar is probably okay. I would use powdered sugar actually, because it'll dissolve better. And then I added a little bit of vanilla extract and I mixed that up. And you can put ice in the pitcher if you want, if you're going to be drinking it, like if you're making it for a party or something like that. I don't recommend doing that because then the ice melts and it waters it down. It's just not really going to hurt anything because it already has water in it. So I would opt to leave the ice out. But like I said, if it's for a party, you can put the ice directly in the pitcher so that it's cold. And there it is. This was so good. It tastes exactly like a little light strawberry dessert drink. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.